What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SENS stock. First of all, brief information about this company. Senseonics Holdings engaged in the design, development and commercialization of implantable continuous glucose monitoring system for people with diabetes. Its primary product is the brand Eversense, a glucose monitoring device which includes sensor, smart transmitter and mobile application. And here is this system. As you can see, it has three main parts, and it says the world's only long-term CGM system. With the Eversense 90-day CGM system, you can actively manage your diabetes simply and with confidence. And they just recently issued a earnings report, and I just want to quote you their main bullets. And it says, generated fourth quarter 2020 revenue of 3.9 million, primarily driven by orders to support the European installed base up to the Ascensia Diabetes Care commercial transition. Second bullet, raised $175 million of proceeds from equity offerings in the first quarter of 2021 to strengthen the balance sheet. Next one, Ascensia Diabetes Care initiate Eversense sales and marketing activities in Europe in select markets on February 1st, 2021. Next bullet, Eversense implantable CGM CPT codes were added to the 2021 Medicare physician fee schedule, improving national reimbursement payment availability for implantable CGM system and physician services. And it's a major point in my opinion. Next one, reduced fourth quarter operating expenses by $13.8 million compared to the prior year period, resulting from the execution of strategic cost reduction and the streamlined operational focus. This data is very meaningful for the company. They have huge accomplishments, and I think from the fundamental standpoint this company has very strong position. And here is institutional investors of this company, and as you can see we have several latest feelings. One company sold their position and it is not so big. As you can see, they sold $20,000 in value. We have two Fidelity funds and they add their position to $57,000 and $92,000 respectively. So we have cautious buys from the institutional investors. And let me show you this article. It was published on Seeking Alpha on March 14th, and here is the summary of this article. Senseonics shares have suddenly plunged on no news from recent heights, giving investors a good opportunity to buy into one of the most compelling growth stories in the market. The company aims to disrupt the CGM market partnership with Ascensia Diabetes Care, one of the top diabetes company in the world. Next bullet is Senseonics has the makings of a potential multi-badger from here, and aggressive investors would be advised to initiate a position at the current levels. And let me give you a sneak peek of this article. First of all, about their products. So they have, for now, they have two products, CGM 90 and CGM 180 days. The Eversense 90 days has FDA approval, and Eversense 180 days approved in Europe. And for FDA approval, they expected to have this approval in the third quarter of 2021. And let me show you one interesting fact. Here is the article that was published on Investor Place, and it was published on March the 17th. And here you can see the paragraph. Moreover, this year Senseonics anticipates approval from both the FDA and CE of its new 180 days sensor for Eversense. And as you can see, this is not correct information, because as I already mentioned, they have approval for 180 days for Eversense. This means that you always have to do your own due diligence, because you can find misleading information in any type of source that you can find. So let's continue with this article, and here is more information about Ascensia. On August 10th, 2020, the company announced strategic collaboration with Ascensia Diabetes Care. And why would such a company with approximately $1 billion in annual sales is interested in $4 million revenue company? And it says, I believe Ascensia recognized the enormous potential of this technology, which could eventually make redundant even their current business. In my opinion, this company, I mean Senseonics, has a huge potential with their product, because let me show you this data. we are on investor presentation, and as you can see, they not only have 180 days, and of course they have 90 days system. They have 365 days system in their pipeline, and it will be launched by 2023. And even Freedom system, that is enhanced Eversense 365 system. So they have a huge potential. And again, let me switch to this article. The number of people with diagnosed diabetes in the United States in 2020 was 34.2 million people, which 1.6 million have type 1 diabetes. Unfortunately, the number of people with diabetes is growing very rapidly, as can be seen from the National Diabetes Statistic Report 2020. Of course, it's very bad information for people, but I think Senseonics can handle this problem. The market opportunity for the company is really huge, and they face no competition, and none is expected anytime soon either, because only Senseonics has these huge plans to their long-term systems. And here is the conclusion of this article. Senseonics is a high-risk, high-reward type of investment, but the type of risk I like. Basically, there is a small chance that the company will file for insolvency anytime soon, and with the Ascensia Alliance, it stands a very good, hot and disrupting the diabetes market. In my opinion, Senseonics has makings of a potential multi-badger from here, and aggressive investors would be advised to initiate a position in the current levels. Next catalysts for the company will be information of progress the commercialization in Europe, and from April the 1st in the USA. Then it will be the Eversense XL approved by the end of September. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, from my previous video, I have these three accumulation positions. We filled all of them, and for now, from this last point, we've up for 30%, and for now, at this moment, we're up for about 22%. And it's very good time to enter your accumulation position with this company as an investor, because we have a strong bounce from this bottom of around $2 mark. And as you can see, here is a strong support right here. Here is the resistance, here was the resistance, then was the support, and now support again. And we bounce back with the volume, as you can see, after their earnings report. And now we have higher lows, and we have to make higher highs. We have to make this action to the upside. We have to exceed 3.35 level. And this will give us an information that we are starting a new uptrend. I think it's very good time to accumulate your position, even right here. As you can see, we can make these levels longer, and if we will go back right here, as you can see, we've hit this level as well. If we will go back, it will be the best price to accumulate your investment position. So I think we don't have more data to add it right here. I just want to move this point right here. It is the fourth wave of retracement. Fifth should be somewhere here, and this is our targets that should be replaced, because we have a new data right here. I don't want to show them to you right now. We have to determine it a little bit later. And this retracement should be right here, like this. This is the simple zigzag, but it's a little bit higher than I was expected. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, in this case you won't miss my next video, and hit the like button, it helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time, bye!